Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move pivot table in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already create here the pivot table. So this pivot table I'm going to move in different place. So simply select the inside the cell of this pivot table. Then go to the pivot table analysis tab. In action group have option move pivot table. Just click on option, and here you can see the one dialog box open the move pivot table. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Here have a two option new worksheet and existing worksheet. So I select the first one new worksheet and then click on the OK. And here you can see the third sheet is added. Okay, the pivot table move from the sheet number 2 to sheet number 3. Here the new worksheet is added automatically and it's move the pivot table. Okay. Now I again select the inside the cell, go to the pivot table analysis and click on the move pivot table. Now I click on this existing worksheet. Okay. So select the second option and here select the location where you want to move exactly. Okay. In existing option. Then click on this arrow to select the location. So I want to move in existing worksheet, and here select the cell where you want to move and click on this arrow again and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see your pivot table is moved in existing worksheet. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.